But that's what I think is so fascinating about processing and about food matrix, and why we have to move beyond thinking about food just in terms of the nutrients, because you can have two foods with identical backpack labelling that have different effects. And we've seen the same with oats. We've been doing studies as well where we feed people large oats, so kind of, like the steel cup sort of old-fashioned porridge, or you feed people finely ground oats. And so we've done clinical trials where on one occasion people come in and they'll have 50 grams carbohydrate for breakfast of these large oats. Then they'll come in another day and they'll have exactly the same oats, but where we've ground them. Literally, we've got students just grinding them down so they're more like a powder. And the difference in the metabolic response in that following 6 hours after having either the large traditional oats or these finely ground oats is enormous.
And that's because of gut absorption speed?
Yes. So with the nuts, what we're seeing here is a difference in the amount as well as the speed. With the oats, what we're seeing is a difference in the speed. So we're seeing a difference in the rate, because we know that the food matrix impacts the amount, i.e. with the nuts, the rate, i.e. with the oats, and as well as where the food's absorbed in the gut. And so you see about a 40% difference in the postprandial glucose response. So this is the increase in circulating blood glucose after you've had these oats. We see about a 50% higher response from the ground oats versus the large oats. And that has subsequent impacts on hunger hormones, fullness hormones, insulin release, etc., etc.